Hello students, welcome to Smart Technology. My name is Jogendra Pagadi. This video is about draw a hypocycloid of a circle of diameter 60 mm which rolls inside a circle of diameter 180 mm for one revolution. Also draw a tangent and normal. Okay students, so in this video, suppose this is the circle and you have to draw hypocycloid. So this is the another circle which is inside the another circle. Now here circle is rotated like this, clear? So it will create the hypocycloid for one revolution. You have to draw a hypocycloid for one revolution. Suppose one of the point mark is this. Suppose this is the one point which we have marked, and you have to draw a one revolution of the curve. In this way it will rotate one circle inside the another circle for one revolution. I hope all of you clear this thing. This is called hypocycloid. Okay students, so here outer circle, the diameter is given 180 mm. This is the 180 mm diameter. So you have to draw a 90 mm line, and inner circle, the diameter is given is 60 mm. This is 60 mm. So radius is what? 30 mm. Okay, now students, we have to draw. Okay, here the given data is what? Capital D is equal to 180 mm and small d equal to 60 mm. Clear? Okay, now what is the theta? Theta equal to 360 multiplied by small d divided by capital D. Now 360, small d is what? It is 60 and capital D is 180. So it is 120 degree. Okay students, now you have to draw a horizontal line. Okay, now students, this is horizontal line and this is the point. From this point you have to draw two lines, degree of what? 120 degree. So 180 minus 120, it will be 60. So 30 and 30 you have to mark. This is 30 and this is 30. Now students, capital D is what? 180 mm. So what is the radius of it? It is 90 mm. So 90 mm line you have to draw. 90 mm line you have to draw. Is this clear? 90 mm line you have to draw. From here you have to also draw the 90 mm line. This is clear students. Now students, what you have to do? You have to draw the circle of radius 25 and diameter is 50 mm. So this is the inner circle, center is 25 mm. Okay, so this is the center of the circle, and okay, so this is the circle. You have to make a 12 equal part of the circle. Now you have to make a 12 equal part. You have to join all the parts, the line passing through the center of the circle. Okay students, after dividing 12 equal part, you have to make the arc. Okay, this is O. Here you can see the part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay students, now you have to draw a arc. Okay, we have to extend. Okay, then we have to draw another line which is passing from the 11 and 1, then 10 and 2, then 9 and 3, then center of the circle, then 8 and 4, then 7 and 5, then from 6. I hope all of you clear this thing. Clear students? Okay students, after dividing 12 equal parts of the circle, now what you have to do? You have to make a 12 part of this angle. The angle is what? This is 120 degree angle. So you have to make a 12 equal part. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 and 120. Now students, what you have to do? You have to draw the line up to the center of the circle. Okay students, in this way we can draw the line 10 degree of each part. Okay, so students, this is C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, C11 and C12. Okay. Now students, radius measurement you have to take, and you have to take C1 as a center and mark from 1 to 11 line. Then C2 is a center and mark from 2 to 10 line. C3 is a center and you have to mark with 9 and 3 arc. C4 is a center, you have to mark as 8 and 4 arc. C5 is a center, you have to mark 7 and 5 arc. C6 is a center and you have to mark at this point, line passing from the 6. C7 is a center and 7 and 5 arc you have to mark. C8 is a center and 4 and 8 you have to mark. C9 is a center, 9 and 3 you have to mark. Then C10 is a center, you have to mark this 10 and 2. C11 is a center and you have to mark 11 and 1. I hope all of you have cleared this thing. Now students, what you have to do, you have to draw the curve. This is hypocycloid. Okay students, so this is the hypocycloid. Okay, now students, if you want to draw tangent and normal, you can take any point on the curve. Then you have to join this point. Okay, suppose we have taken this point. Now radius you have to take and you have to make the arc from this point on the center line. Then you have to join this point. Okay, now suppose this is N and this is M, so it's a normal. Okay students, now if you want to draw tangent, what you have to do, you have to take the 90 degree from the M point. Okay, so this is tangent.